What's going on, everybody? This is D-Lib, and welcome back to my channel where I tell you the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth concerning EV life, processes, and real ownership. And today we are going to talk about the Cybertruck steering wheel. At first glance, it looked completely different from anything else you're seeing on the road right now. But after 6 months of ownership, I've learned that a lot more thought was put behind the Cybertruck steering wheel than people realize. Today, let's break it down. All right, so as we get started, let's start with the overall design. The first thing you notice is how clean and uncluttered everything looks. There are no traditional stalks behind the steering wheel, and there's very few controls. The layout was designed to keep everything simple and within reach. The design looks different at first, but after a while, I promise you, the simplicity starts to kick in and make sense. So one thing I really appreciate about the Cybertruck steering wheel is how naturally, like, my hands fit around the steering wheel. It don't matter how you drive, there are comfortable resting points built into the design. What a lot of people don't realize is that your thumbs naturally sit where the controls are, so everything feels comfortable and within reach. So another thing you'll notice is how little you actually have to rotate the steering wheel. So whether you're parking, making a U-turn, or backing into a tight space, you don't have to find yourself like constantly feeding the steering wheel through your hands. Everything stays comfortable and controlled, and after a while, going back to like the traditional steering wheel actually feels like more work. So now let's get into the steering wheel controls, starting with the left and right blinker, which is on the left side of the steering wheel. This button right here controls your high beams, your flashers, or your bright lights, whatever you want to refer to it as. Your left stroll right here controls your volume. So you can decrease or increase your volume with this stroll. Pressing right here on the steering wheel, it activates your horn, or you can set it to activate your cameras to catch video footage whenever you press your horn. So when you push this button here, it activates your cameras and gives you a 360 view around your vehicle. So this button here activates your windshield wipers and allows you to cycle through the speeds that you want from your windshield wipers. Also, when you press and hold that button, it sprays washer fluid on your windows. When you press this button here, it activates your voice commands. And last but not least, this button here, which is your right stroll, that allows you to go into your FSD mode. And there are advanced features that you can add to this that you can set for like the AC, and so you can actually use this stroll as for many different options. And that concludes the Cybertruck steering wheel review. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and like. Leave your comments below. Y'all know I reply. And I wish everybody nothing but the best, and I'll see you on the next video.